There is something brewing for Shiba Inu right now. I don't know exactly what it is, but I have the symptoms for it. So today we're going to go over some of the abnormal things that we have uncovered for Shiba behind the scenes, and also how you need to be on the same side as this trend and why you need to follow this exactly. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. So the first thing that prompted me to have a look at this is this tweet by WhaleStats. So previously in another video, we talked about the WhaleStats information with regards to the SHIB net flow in terms of the money invested in the SHIB. It was at roughly, I believe, $500,000. Now, with this one, it's a lot more interesting. So SHIB is up 5.6% in the last 24 hours with current price being ending in 813. Now, this is the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets. And in the last 24 hours, there is a staggering $8.1 million put in the SHIB from the top 1,000 Ethereum holders and only $133 out. This is not a normal number. This is not something that you will see every day. There is something quite abnormal about this, and that's a gut feeling. So obviously this is the top 1,000 Ethereum wallet holders, and these are big boys. These are people with thick wallets. If they're all investing so much money into SHIB, there has to be a reason, and I don't believe it's a singular person either. And moreover, looking at the Shiba Inu stats right now, in the last 24 hours, we've had an increase of 43% in volume traded. There is a lot of money being funneled into SHIB right now, and a lot of it is from the big buyers from the top Ethereum holders. And in the last 24 hours, we've had an increase in volume, or a significant increase in volume. And this is particularly interesting to me because if we have a look at Bitcoin, we're only up 0.14% in volume trade in the last 24 hours. So Shiba is actually moving on its own. It's not moving in tandem with the crypto market. So something in particular is happening to SHIB. And if we look at the Ethereum is actually down 10.3% in terms of volume trade in the last 24 hours. So something is definitely happening in SHIB right now. And if we switch over to the technical charts, there are a few interesting things that I immediately see as well. So first of all, we have a ceiling, we have a resistance level here at around the 8.3 mark, followed by another resistance level around the 8.90 mark. And currently we're trending sideways, we're bouncing within this secondary level here and overhead resistance here. What you're seeing here is quite good for SHIB. We are consolidating here and we could potentially break through the 8.90 mark. We can potentially break through the 100 mark here as well. Now, what's actually even more interesting is if we switch to the daily time frame. Now, before we look at the next section, I just want to say if you support SHIB, talk about it on social media, share it with your friends, or get your cool SHIB token, link in the description, and this way SHIB will go up quicker. Now, if we switch over to the one-day time frame, we actually see something that is very, very desirable. So we see over here a bull flag forming, and similar to what we saw on the 1 hour time frame, if we just go back a little bit. Let's zoom out. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that there have been bull flags forming just like what we can see on one day. So what we have here is that there has been enough candles, enough information for these signals to form on the 1 day time frame. Let's just switch back here. And that is what we see here. So one reason for the price move and the volume movement is that particularly some people might be anticipating this next bull move, next bull run, and are investing in advance in this particular move. And in addition, we can also see that this particular price candle shot above the Bollinger Bands here, and the price is actually sitting above the midline for the Bollinger Bands, indicating that this might be a particular initial symptom of a Bollinger Squeeze as well. And what I would like to see is a potential bull flag forming on the 1 day time frame, which is going to be pretty big. And if you're a chart reader like myself, and if you want access to some of these premium indicators that you see on the screen, have a look in the description in this video and make sure you use the keyword Shiba during checkout for a 20% discount. This is quite abnormal behavior to what I've seen, and especially what Shiba has seen in the last 2 to 3 weeks. And in my day trading experience, this is one of the first telltale signs of potentially price moving. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. As always, take care and we'll catch you guys next time.